Recent reports regarding the decommissioning of fighter aircraft and helicopters by the United States Air Force, including approximately 320 units, have raised the prospect for the Philippine Army to bolster its air capabilities. It is interesting to note that by 2024, the United States Air Force will decommission many fighter aircraft and helicopters, a total of about 320 aircraft and helicopters, according to the information circulating. One of the helicopters to be decommissioned is the HH-60G Pave Hawk, 37 units of which will be decommissioned. In a series of discussions involving representatives from JUSMAG Philippines, led by Lieutenant Colonel David S. Nelson USAF, alongside BGEN Giuliano CLLARENAS from the Philippine Air Force, the possibility of the Philippine Army requesting to acquire some of the soon-to-be decommissioned HH-60G Pave Hawk helicopters has been deliberated. In response to this, there's an intriguing suggestion that the Philippine Army should consider acquiring a squadron of HH-60G Pave Hawks comprising 12 helicopters. These helicopters would be utilized to support combat search and rescue (CSAR) operations as well as special operations. The HH-60G Pave Hawk has proven to be highly versatile in missions such as CSAR, medical evacuation, disaster response, and counter-narcotics activities. By possessing a squadron of HH-60G helicopters, the Philippine Army would have enhanced capabilities to respond to various security challenges, particularly in the increasingly tense South China Sea region. Furthermore, this move could strengthen defense cooperation between the United States and the Philippines, especially concerning the improvement of maritime safety and regional threat responses. The Philippines' involvement in acquiring these helicopters could also be a strategic step in fortifying bilateral relations between the two nations. Amid increased Chinese activity in the South China Sea, the Philippines' naval forces are seeking more vessels. By acquiring 12 units of HH-60G Pave Hawks, the Philippines can greatly strengthen its air power and suppress China's military aggression. The Sikorsky MH-60 HH-60 Pave Hawk is a four-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift utility military helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. It is a derivative of the US-60 Black Hawk and incorporates the U.S. Air Force Pave electronic systems program. The HH-60 MH-60 is a member of the Sikorsky S-70 family. The MH-60G Pave Hawk's primary mission is the insertion and recovery of special operations personnel, while the HH-60G Pave Hawk's core mission is the recovery of personnel under hostile conditions, including combat search and rescue. Both versions conduct day or night operations in hostile environments. Because of its versatility, the HH-60G may also perform peacetime operations such as civil search and rescue, emergency aeromedical evacuation, MEDEVAC, disaster relief, international aid, and counter-drug activities. The HH-60G Pave Hawk is the U.S. Air Force's primary combat search and rescue helicopter used by Air Force Special Tactics teams and pararescue men. The HH-60G is also tasked to perform military operations other than war, including civil search and rescue, medical evacuation, disaster response, humanitarian assistance, security cooperation, aviation advisory, NASA spaceflight support, and rescue command and control. The Pave Hawk is a highly modified version of the Army Black Hawk helicopter which features an upgraded communications and navigation suite that includes integrated inertial navigation, global positioning, Doppler navigation systems, satellite communications, secure voice, and have quick communications. All HH-60 gigaseconds have an automatic flight control system, night vision goggles with lighting, and a forward-looking infrared system that greatly enhances night low-level operations. Additionally, Pave Hawks have color weather radar and an engine, rotor blade anti-ice system that gives the HH-60G an adverse weather capability. Pave Hawk mission equipment includes a retractable in-flight refueling probe, internal auxiliary fuel tanks, two crew-served 7.62mm or .50 caliber machine guns, and an 8,000-pound, 3,600 kilograms capacity cargo hook. To improve air transportability and shipboard operations, all HH-60 gigaseconds have folding rotor blades. Pave Hawk combat enhancements include a radar warning receiver, infrared jammer, and a flare chaff countermeasure dispensing system. However, the success of this plan will depend on various factors, including funding availability, logistical needs, and personnel training. Nevertheless, acquiring a squadron of HH-60G Pavehawks holds the potential to propel the Philippine Army to new heights in strengthening its air power and addressing the increasingly complex security challenges in the region.